Hello everyone, this is Darshini, and in this video we are going to be talking about how to make your thoughts more constructive by being aware of the source of negative thoughts. Make sure that you watch this video several times if this concept is new to you. This will make sure that you really absorb and understand this concept thoroughly. Negative thoughts arise from a destructive thought energy called pendulum. A pendulum is something that takes every opportunity to make a person feel negative and make them be like everybody else instead of living their dream life. A few things that a pendulum is capable of doing are 1. It makes you doubt yourself whether you can achieve your goals. 2. It makes you think whether you deserve to achieve such a huge goal. 3. It induces insecurities. And 4. Makes you give excuses. And 5. Induces fear when you take a risk or do something new in life. When you start believing those thoughts, then the pendulum will start having more control over you, which is why people tend to follow the path that is safe and secure because they're afraid of what the unknown might offer them. Whenever you want to take a risk to achieve something, the pendulum will come in and try to convince you that you should not take such risks and just follow what everybody else is doing. But if you want to truly live the life of your dreams, you should choose to ignore these negative thoughts. Whenever you doubt yourself or feel negative, remind yourself that this is the work of the pendulum and I am not going to get into the control of the pendulum. Not being able to get up early, despite deciding that you should be waking up early, is also due to the pendulum. It is the pendulum that says it's okay to sleep for a while more, it's not going to make a big difference. That's why I recommend waking up even before the thoughts start coming up. After the alarm goes off, the next second you should have woken up, or else the pendulum will come in and give you all the reasons to go back to sleep. It's really hard to fight with the pendulum and win over it. So, the best way is to just be aware that it's the work of the pendulum whenever you're not able to do something when you were supposed to be doing it. For example, you have an important assignment due shortly, but you can't get yourself to do it. You're giving various excuses like, I don't feel like doing it right now, or I'll do it later. What do you think make you give these excuses to things that you were supposed to be doing? Pendulums. So, the more you are aware that it's the work of the pendulum, the lesser impact it will have on you, and the more control you can have over yourself. So, whenever you find yourself telling, how can I possibly do this? I'll do it later. I'm scared. I'm stressed. Or negative thoughts of any form arises, it's due to pendulums. Be aware of its presence and just choose to ignore the thoughts produced by it. Choose to have a positive attitude towards life. For example, you get a thought of how are you going to do it. Then tell yourself that I will figure it out. People don't start with everything figured out. I will figure out everything on the way, and I believe myself. Every time you get a negative thought, immediately replace it with a positive thought. When you practice doing this consistently, then naturally the negative thoughts that arise will drastically reduce since your natural thought pattern would have become positive. And the pendulum will have nothing to make you feel negative. Even if it tries, you will be aware of its presence and you can just choose to ignore it. So, how will you know when you're free of pendulums? When you're able to do whatever you choose to do without giving excuses and with a peaceful mind, you will know that you're free of pendulums. For example, you're a smoker. The moment you're free of pendulums, you can easily quit smoking. It is the pendulum that makes you hold on to it and tell you that you can't live without smoking, even when you really want to quit smoking. In order to remember about the pendulum, imagine the pendulum clock. The more you remember the pendulum, the more you will use your time efficiently. Hit the like button if you're finding this video useful so far. Subscribe to this channel if you want to learn more about the mindset required to make your life amazing. In summary, be aware of the presence of the pendulum whenever you're not able to do something that you had decided to do. Just choose to ignore it, let it be, and immediately replace it with a positive thought. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I genuinely hope that this video was helpful. And in the next video, I will be teaching you about how to check whether you're moving towards the right trajectory of life using the mirror principle. And hit the notification bell to get notified of all my new videos. And see you in the next video.